Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the maximum number of effects icon displayed in Nioh 3. Begin by opening the System menu. From there, navigate to Basic Game Settings. Here, open the second page of the menu. Here you can change the maximum number of effects icon displayed. As you can see, I have it currently set to the maximum of 16. You can adjust this value from the value of 10 up to, as I said, the value of 16. Choose whatever value you prefer, and once that's done, simply press the back button. Press it once again, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.